You've probably seen CoComelon before, but have you ever wondered just how much money they make and how little it actually costs to produce these videos? The numbers are insane. CoComelon pulls in $120 to $128 million a year from YouTube ads, while each 3D animated video costs just $15,000 to $45,000 to make. But imagine creating similar videos practically for free and making serious money. Now I know what you're thinking. Josh, surely I need a team of editors, expensive software, and maybe a degree in animation? Nope. Not anymore. Thanks to AI, literally anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can create professional-looking animated videos that rack up millions of views and good money. Creating your song and lyrics. We'll start with the audio because in my experience, it's easier to build visuals around a solid script and song than the other way around. The first step is generating the lyrics. Back to ChatGPT. Let's say we chose Wobbly the Wonder Whale as our topic. Here's what you type. Create a fun, catchy, kid-friendly song about Wobbly the Wonder Whale who learns that being different makes you special. Include full lyrics with rhyming lines, repetition, and easy-to-sing words for children ages 4 to 6. Make it upbeat and positive. ChatGPT will spit out a complete song with verses, choruses, and a bridge in literally seconds. The beauty of this is that you can regenerate it multiple times if you don't like the first version, or you can ask it to adjust specific parts. By the way, you don't have to stick to just ChatGPT. Tools like Claude work great for this too, and sometimes give you slightly different creative results. It's worth experimenting with both. Now it's time to turn those lyrics into actual music. Head over to Suno AI. It's completely free to start. Sign up, click create, and you'll see a prompt box waiting for you. Copy your ChatGPT lyrics and paste them into Suno. You can specify a style like upbeat children's music, playful nursery rhyme, or educational pop for kids. The more specific you are, the better the result. Click generate, and within 30 to 60 seconds, Suno will create multiple versions of your song with full instrumentation, melodies, and everything. It's honestly mind-blowing how good these AI-generated songs sound. Listen to each version carefully. Suno typically generates 3 different takes, and sometimes version 3 is way better than version 1, so don't just grab the first one. Once you've chosen your favorite, click the 3 dots next to the track, select download, and save it as an MP3. Drag it to your desktop so you don't lose it. This song is the backbone of your entire video, so make sure you're genuinely happy with it before moving forward. Creating animated visuals. Alright, this is where the magic happens. We're going to use InVideo AI, specifically their new generative V3 model, which creates fully animated, unique videos from text prompts. This is genuinely mind-blowing technology that would have cost tens of thousands of dollars just a few years ago. Full disclosure, InVideo AI isn't completely free for this feature. The generative animation capability costs about $96 per month, but if you're serious about building a real business, this investment pays for itself quickly. You can try it with their free trial first to see if it works for you, and I've put the link in the description below. Oh, and don't worry, there are a couple of cheaper options too, and I'll reveal those in the latter half of this video. Once you sign up for InVideo AI and log in, make sure you switch to V3 in the drop-down menu at the top. That's the animation mode. This is crucial because the regular InVideo AI mode doesn't have the same animation capabilities. Now comes the fun part, creating your prompt. This is where specificity really matters. You're going to paste in your story concept, but you need to add details. Here's an example of what a good prompt looks like. Create a 3-minute animated video about Wobbly the Wonder Whale, a young whale with a wiggly tail who dreams of being the fastest swimmer, but learns that being different makes him special. Target age 4 to 6 years old. Style, bright, colorful, cartoon 3D animation similar to Pixar. Use a high-pitched, kid-friendly female voiceover. Include underwater scenes with coral reefs, other sea creatures, and expressive character animations. Then, below that prompt, paste your song lyrics from ChatGPT. The AI needs to see the full lyrics to generate matching visuals. Now click Generate and wait 3 to 5 minutes. Go grab a coffee or check your phone, but resist the urge to close the window. I once closed the window and had to start over. Cried a little, not my proudest moment. In-video AI is working its magic in the background, creating a complete animated video with consistent character design throughout, smooth scene transitions, matching visuals to your lyrics, voiceover narration, and background animations. When it's done, watch it through completely. The consistency is honestly shocking. The same character design appears in every scene, which used to require professional animators and expensive software. I also want to mention another tool in this space that you should know about. Sora is a state-of-the-art text-to-video artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. What makes Sora particularly impressive is its versatility. Users can enter a description in plain language, and Sora generates videos up to about 60 seconds long, with visual consistency and realistic motion throughout the clip. It can extend existing videos by adding new scenes or lengthening the footage, and allows users to remix and blend different videos seamlessly. Sora can even animate still images, bringing them to life with accurate movements and effects in accordance with the user's instructions. It supports edits via not only text but also images and existing video, addressing a wide range of creative and practical tasks. Now here's the really interesting part about Sora's pricing and availability. While it was initially invite-only, OpenAI has now made it accessible through its subscription tiers. ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month includes Sora access, allowing the creation of up to 50 priority videos at up to 720p resolution every month. For serious creators, ChatGPT Pro at $200 per month includes Sora 2 Pro access, supporting up to 500 priority videos at up to 1080p resolution with high-quality, watermark-free downloads intended for professionals users. Now here's where things get really interesting, and this is the part most tutorials won't tell you. While the AI does an incredible job, there's one thing it can't do for you. And this is actually the secret that separates successful channels from failed ones. The AI can create beautiful animations, perfect songs, and polished videos, but it can't create emotional connection. The most successful kids channels don't just pump out content, they build characters that kids genuinely care about. Wobbly isn't just a whale, he's a friend. You need to think about his personality, his quirks, his journey. Kids don't subscribe to random videos, they subscribe because they want to know what happens to Wobbly next. This is why CoComelon works. It's not just songs, it's JJ and his family that kids love. So as you're using these AI tools, always ask yourself, would a kid want to see this character again? But here's where it gets even better with the editing. Not happy with something? Use the edit command box at the bottom of the screen. You can type natural language commands like make the voice higher pitched, add subtitles on screen with bold font, change the underwater scene to include more fish, or make the whale's expressions more exaggerated. The AI will regenerate based on your feedback without you having to manually edit anything. You can also click directly on individual scenes to swap out specific clips or change parts of the script. If a particular scene doesn't match your vision, just click on it, select Replace, and describe what you want instead. The AI will generate new options for you to choose from. Adding the finishing touches. Your video is 90% done at this point, but these final touches separate amateur content from professional-looking videos that actually get views and engagement. The first thing you need to do is add your custom song. In InVideo AI, click Edit, then click Music, then click Upload Music. Select the MP3 you downloaded from Suno earlier. Apply it to the video and adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Usually, setting the music at around 30 to 40% volume works well. You want it present but not dominating the narration. Next up, add subtitles. Kids' videos perform significantly better with on-screen text. In the Elements section of InVideo AI, make sure Captions is turned on. InVideo AI will automatically generate subtitles synced to the audio. You can adjust the font size, color, and style to match your brand. I recommend using bold, colorful fonts that are easy to read. Yellow text with a black outline tends to be most visible against any background. Now let's talk about sound effects. This step is optional, but adds a lot of production value. In video AI or your editing software, add simple sound effects that match what's happening on screen. For our whale video, you might add splash sounds when the whale jumps, bubble sounds for underwater scenes, happy chimes when positive things happen, or gentle ocean ambient noise in the background. The key is subtlety. Don't go overboard with sound effects. Too many becomes overwhelming and distracting. Think of them as seasoning, not the main dish. Alternative tools and methods. In-video AI is my top recommendation because it's the fastest and produces the most consistent results. But let's cover some alternatives in case you want to explore other options, or if in-video AI's price point doesn't work for you right now. The first method is completely free, but significantly more time-consuming. You can create characters in Canva using their free templates and design tools. Canva has tons of cartoon elements you can combine to build unique characters. Once you have your character design, you can animate it using Meta's animated drawings tool, which is completely free. This tool takes a static drawing and adds basic animation to it. For voiceovers, you can use the free tier of 11 Labs, which gives you 10,000 characters per month. That's enough for several short videos. Then you'd edit everything together in CapCut, which is free and available on desktop and mobile. This method absolutely works and can produce good results, but expect to spend 4 to 6 hours per video versus 1 to 2 hours within video AI. You're essentially trading time for money. The second alternative method uses OpenArt's consistent character feature. This is somewhere between free and paid, depending on how many credits you use. You start by creating a character with a detailed description in OpenArt. The tool trains a model specifically for your character, which takes about 10 minutes. Then you generate scenes with that character in different poses, expressions, and environments. OpenArt ensures your character looks consistent across all generations, which is the biggest challenge with AI art. Once you have your static images, you use OpenArt's image-to-video feature to animate them. This converts your still images into short video clips with movement. Then you'd edit everything together in CapCut with your voiceover and music. This method gives you more control over character design and scene composition, but it requires more manual work and coordination. You're basically building the video shot by shot rather than having AI generate the whole thing. And there you have it, the complete blueprint for creating animated content like CoComelon using AI tools. So here's my question for you, and I genuinely want to know. Which of these tools do you think is the most beneficial? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this guide valuable and actually learned something today, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I've got tons more content creation guides coming your way. You don't want to miss them.